This is a $1 billion chocolate factory, the most expensive chocolate factory in the world. And I was invited for an exclusive tour of the inside of it. So as a peace offering, I brought an unreleased Feastables product. Let's go check it out.
Jimmy, how do we get in?
I thought you talked to a guy.
I did talk to a guy.
Door's not opening.
Let me in.
Well, bang on the door.
I did. Hello? Is anyone here? What?
Why'd you shut it?
I didn't do anything.
Jimmy!
Open the door.